Let's look at this question. Still on simultaneous linear equation involving fraction. So solve the simultaneous equation. We have 1 over x plus 1 over y equal to 5. Okay, so here we can get rid of the denominator, the LCM. Okay, so we have xy here, so our LCM will be xy. So we are going to multiply through by xy. So xy is going to multiply 1 over x plus xy is going to multiply 1 over y, and then xy is going to multiply 5. Okay, then x can take off x, y times 1 give me y can take off y, and then I have s times 1 to give me x equal to 5 xy. Okay, let me arrange by bringing the x first. So x plus y will be equal to 5 xy. Let's put this one down and call as our equation 1. So x plus y equal to 5 xy is our equation 1. Okay, now let's come to the second 1 over y minus 1 over x equal to 1. And here to our LCM will be xy. So xy is going to multiply by 1 over y minus xy also multiply by 1 over x equal to 1 xy. Alright. Then y will take off y. So they have x, and then x will take off x. And then y times 1 half y equals 1 times xy will give us xy. And we have our second equation like this. Alright, so looking at the first and the second equation here, okay, I think that when we use elimination to solve it, will be quite easier. Okay, so we have x here, and then have y here, 5xy, xy. So we can what? We can do elimination. We can eliminate the x, okay, by subtracting the two equations, and then let's see what is going to happen, what we are going to have. So what we can say is, let's say equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1, so x minus x plus y minus y, and then 5xy minus xy. Okay, so x minus x will go, y minus minus y give me 2y, so that is y plus y, and this will give me 4xy, that is 5xy minus xy. So we can divide through by y so that we get rid of the y will go. Okay, so dividing through by y, y will cancel y. So that we are going to have what? Y will take off y will take off y. So that we are going to have, let's continue from here. We are going to have 2 to be equal to 4x. Okay, y will take over 2 to be equal to 4x. And if I want to find my x, I'll divide 2 by 4, so 2 over 4. And then my x is going to give me 1 over 2. So the x is 1 over 2. X is 1 over 2. And now with this, I believe we can find the value of y, either substituting in equation 1 or equation 2. So let me put the x in equation 2. So put x into equation 2. Equation 2, I have what? X, so 1 over 2 minus y equal to 1 over 2 also times y. So I have 1 over 2 minus y equal to 1 over 2y. Alright. So 1 over 2 minus y equal to 1 over 2x, 1 over 2y. Okay, so I have this. So let me group like terms. Let me bring the y to this side. Now 1 over 2 to be equal to 1 over 2y plus y. Okay, so I have this. And I have 1 over 2 to be equal to 1 over 2 plus 1y will give me, I think, 3 over 2. So 3 over 2y. So that is what I'm going to have. So what do we do next? What we are going to do is to get rid of the denominator. So we are going to multiply through by 2. So the denominators will go. I was saying they have a common denominator as what? As 2. So here times 2, here times 2. 2 will cancel off 2. So that we have 1 to be equal to what? 3y. And what to be our y? Our y is going to be 1 over 3. 1 over 3. So we divide 3 by 3. So our x, or the x, is 1 over 2, and our y is 1 over 3. So that is about this particular question. So x is 1 over 2, y is 1 over 3. I want us to look at another way of elimination that we can also solve this particular question. Alright. Okay, so we have 1 over x plus 1 over y to be equal to 5. So since I want to use the elimination, okay, from here, so though the first one use the elimination, but here we are not going to get rid of the denominator. So my equation 1, and then my equation 2, let me bring the s first, so that it will be 1 over x first, plus 1 over y to be equal to 1. Let me call this as my equation 2. Okay, and we can see 1 over y is here, 1 over y is here. So we can eliminate the 1 over y, or 1 over x, negative 1 over x. So we can either eliminate x or the y by adding or subtracting. So if we want to eliminate y, we will subtract. If we want to eliminate s, we will add. So let's add and eliminate x. So let's say that equation 1 plus equation 2. So if you are adding, you have 1 over x, okay, plus minus 1 over x, okay, 2 plus 1 over y plus 1 over y equal to 5 plus 1. So 1 over x plus minus 1 over x, and then 1 over y plus 1 over, and then 5 plus 1. Okay, so this is what we have, right? So 1 over s plus minus 1 over s will be 0. And I have 1 over y plus 1 over y. So here we have a common denominator, y. And then you can say 1 plus 1 give us 2. So that will be 2 on y equal to, or 2 on y will be 5 plus 1 give us 6. Okay, so 1 over y plus 1 over y is 2 on y. Then we multiply 2 by y, so that 2 will be equal to 6y. Then we divide 2 by what? By 6. So y will be equal to 2 over 6, and that will give us 1 over 3. So 2 over 6 will give us 1 over 3, as we had the 1 over 3. Then we put y into, let's say, which of the equation? It will be equation 1. So in equation I have 1 over x plus 1 over 3, which is the y, equal to 5. Yeah, 1 over x plus 1 times 3 over 1. Since this is a fractional denominator, we multiply and reciprocate, equal to 5. So 1 over x plus 3 equal to 5. So we have 1 over x to be equal to 5 minus 3. Alright? And 1 over x to be equal to 5 minus will give us 2. We multiply 2 by x, so 1 will be equal to 2x. And then we divide 2 by 2, so our x will be equal to 1 on 2. So our y is 1 on 3, and our x is what? 1 on 2. So you can also go by this simple elimination method, and then you solve to get the same answer. I believe this is understood. See you once again. Bye bye.